Alright folks, yeah, so I made a couple of videos on this really terrible Dimple lock that I got from eBay for £11, and I made a couple of ridiculous videos for TikTok, and a lot of people were saying, oh, it's fake and it's not got pins in it, or it's in the unlocked position, or the keys hidden under the mat, or some other bullshit. I've actually never been inside this lock. I've never opened it, but I mean, the sentiment basically is this lock is utter trash. It's obviously made in some crappy factory in China, bargain basement materials. I mean, if you just look at the the way the core actually turns here, it's just like sloppy seconds. I mean, look at the state. It's like a well-used trampoline. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and get this damn thing open in video so you can see it. Now, I do usually gut locks because, well, I just don't really like it, and I don't really have the right tools for it, but I'll give it a shot because I've got the other half. So yeah, one circlip. Now, what you're going to see is about 400 things springing about. Like I say, no tools. Come on. Oh, come on. Why is this not coming out? Sorry, bumping the camera. There's my probe. Come on, come on, come on. Gonna stay this. You don't even really need to do it in other than just use a piece of thin metal to open this piece of shit. There we go. Okay, so what have we got in here? Key pins. I think these are just all standard pins. I don't think there's anything exciting in here whatsoever, which makes sense because you can literally open this with a hair clip. Yeah. There's nothing, literally nothing secure about this. It's just a load of nonsense. So you got, I might have seen that right, is that? So we've got 5-pin core. One, oh come on, don't stick. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So basically this is a 5-pin core with actual 4 pins in it. So it's even worse. What a pile of crap, honestly. And the scary thing is people will buy these, put them on 8 and 4 springs. I mean, this lock is absolute trash. I've put the core back in, and I think it's just got to go in the bin, to be honest, for enough amusement for this. Or I might just actually cut it in half and just use it as a little practice lock for some banter. But yeah, if you see this lock on eBay what's that, an M? Definitely avoid. It's apparently a 5-pin lock, but it seems to be a 4-pin lock with no security pins whatsoever. And the frightening thing, like I said before, people are actually putting this on their front door. So out there somewhere, people are using this crap on their front door and putting their possessions, family, pets, dishwasher tablets at risk. Honestly, this is about as useful as a marzipan dildo.